welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today I thought I would show you how I have put together a simple and budget-friendly Mother's Day brunch. I'm calling it an islandscape. It's not really a table, but an islandscape. So Mother's Day is just around the corner, and you guys, I decided I was not going to do a whole big table full of decor. I am just going to have a simple little brunch for two. And so I thought I would bring to you today this video to show you how I have set it up. It's very simple, very budget friendly, very cost effective, and then you can take that extra money and spend it on your mother. So what I have done is create a very simple place setting. These items are all either thrifted, picked up from the Goodwill, or bought on clearance. So the first thing I'm going to show you are these green iCat placemats. I picked these up while thrifting. It was a set of 6 and they were $6.50. I love the pattern. You guys know I love black, white, and green, and I thought this would perfect and would be the perfect accompaniment for the simple Mother's Day brunch islandscape. So I have paired with it the little plates that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. These were an after Easter find. They were on sale at 60% off. So I did pick up this plate for, I think it was like a little less than $1.70. And then I also found these really cute plates. These also came from Hobby Lobby. These were an Easter find, after Easter find. They were $3.99 at 66% off. And I just love the color combination. I thought it was really beautiful, perfect for Mother's Day. It picks up the green of our placemat very nicely. And then I also found these napkins, also at 66% off after Easter. So when you are out shopping, always think about how you can use the item you're picking up, not for just a holiday. Like, these items were all considered Easter, but you can use them in a multitude of ways. They don't have to be used just for Easter. So I am pairing with it this simple bowl that I got from the Dollar Tree. These coffee mugs I showed you guys I also found while out thrifting. I picked up, oh gosh, it was like a set of 20 for less than 18 cents a piece, and I just love the aesthetic of the coffee mug and the little saucer, so I thought it would pair perfect here on our little islandscape. Our glassware came from Goodwill. Again, Goodwill has some really nice glassware, guys. Always hit the Goodwill first when you're looking for glasses. These glasses actually came from Amazon, and I want to say it was a pack of 4 for like $15. That's like the most expensive thing here of our islandscape. And then we have our floral arrangement that I have put together, and I just put this together using some flowers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. These are, what are these called? Poppies, purple poppies that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love how they look. And then I paired with it some very simple tulips that I picked up from Amazon. I love the purple color. And then I added this really nice looking greenery that I also picked up from Amazon. You guys have seen these things many times before, but I just wanted to show you how you can put together a simple, elegant islandscape, or if you wanted to make it a larger tablescape, you know, you could buy more than 2. I do have a set of 6 of everything, but today we're just using 2. And I thought this was a very simple, budget-friendly way to treat your mother to something special. Now, I did pick up a pitcher that I thought would go perfect with this Mother's Day Islandscape brunch. All right, so here is our picture. I absolutely love it. It's very modern. This came from IKEA, and then this little creamer came from the dishware that I picked up from the Goodwill. It was like 20 for $3.99, so could not pass up that deal. And so then for when the actual day comes, you can bring out your fruit, your French toast, your bacon, eggs, whatever you're going to serve. Of course, you know, we have to have mimosas. So that is what I will be serving, mimosa and all of your traditional breakfast foods. And yeah, I think my mom would really like it. And today's video is sponsored by Karativa. Karativa offers you some very nice and budget-friendly ways to gift someone you love a very nice and elegant gift. Karativa is an online jewelry store, and they offer lots of gift items, perfect for Mother's Day, perfect for graduation, weddings. They have customized music boxes, and their prices are very, very affordable. You can customize your own jewelry. Let's say you had a baby shower, or you have a friend who's having a baby. You could actually have a custom necklace or custom ring or birthstone ring created for them, and it would make the perfect gift for Mother's Day. If you're getting married and you're on a budget, Karativa also has lots of engagement ring options, as well as some items that you can pick up for your dad for Father's Day, or your husband, or your boyfriend. Anything you are looking to purchase, Karativa has you covered. I would like to get these birthstone rings, one for each of my daughters for Mother's Day. I know Mother's Day is just around the corner and it won't arrive in time, but it is the perfect gift idea, one that you can personalize for any occasion. So the items do come nicely packaged, as you can see. And let me just show you what I chose when Karativa reached out to me. So I picked out this ring. All right, so this is one of the items that I picked out. It is this really cute ring. I love the design on it, and I thought it would be perfect as a right-hand ring. So I absolutely love the look. My camera would focus here. And then I also picked out, so you can customize your jewelry. So I chose this really neat necklace, and it has butterflies, which reminds me of my sister. That is what I chose. Like I said, it is customizable, and so I also have my name, so that when I wear it, I will think of her, and we're always together. I also chose this really pretty ring. I absolutely love it. As you can see from their website, they offer a number of gifts. You can get graduation gifts, Mother's Day gifts. I know Mother's Day is just around the corner, but you can still buy something for your mother. You can buy a graduation gift. If you're getting married, they sell wedding bands, engagement rings. They also do customized music boxes. So Karativa has tons of items available to you, and I will leave a link for their website down below along with a discount code. So go make sure you check them out. You will not be disappointed. Their items do come packaged very neatly. They come in these little plastic bags, and you get two, or you get a gift box with the item that you are purchasing. You also get a little card, and it's just their greeting card saying hello. You get a jewelry care card that tells you how to care for their jewelry. And you also get a neat little bag. Get it out of the package. You also get a neat little bag if you have bought the item as a gift. So, very, very nice. I love the packaging. I love the detail. It's so high-end, so luxe. And as you can see, their prices were very, very affordable. So I would like to thank Karativa for sponsoring today's video. I will leave a link for them down below, as well as a coupon code where you can go and shop and get a percentage off. So make sure you go check them out. So today's video is also part of a collaboration that is being hosted by two wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and that is the Mother's Day Tablescape. And the host of the collaboration is Penny from At Penny's Place. Her co-host is Mercy from MercyBeautyofStyles, and myself, Sheryl, iStylEMYSTYLE. We extended the invitation to everyone to create a Mother's Day tablescape. I decided to do an islandscape, but I'm sure there are tons of actual tablescapes to inspire you. So I will leave a link to the ladies' channels down below, as well as a link to the playlist of all the participants, so you can go check out everyone's awesome Mother's Day tributes and tablescape. So if you have enjoyed today's video, please give the video a thumbs up and like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are not yet a part of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, I would so love it if you would hit the subscribe button, become a member of the family. I do lots of home decorating on a budget. I do thrifting videos, haul videos, clean and decorate with me videos. You guys are loving the clean and decorate with me videos. I will be having an upcoming decorate with me where I show you guys how I am styling my loft for summer. It is going to be an urban jungle theme. I also did a preview video of what my lounge currently looks like. It's also in the urban jungle theme. So if you missed that video, I will leave that linked in the description box down below, as well as in the iCards above, so you can go check that out to sort of get an example of how I will be decorating. And if that's something that you like, make sure you subscribe, tap the notification bell so you don't miss the video when I style my loft. So I hope everyone has a wonderful and fabulous Mother's Day, and I hope to see you in the next one.